Welcome back, Shopify store owners. Shipping is not just a cost line, it is a moment your customer decides whether to trust you or not. When fulfillment drags or shipping fails, the impact is immediate. More refunds, more where is my order messages. The inbox never stops receiving the messages. In the next few minutes, you learn about the shipping and fulfillment reports that cut through the guesswork. You learn about what is getting fulfilled, how orders are moving through your operations, and what shipping labels are costing you. To access these reports, go to Analytics, Reports, Orders, and look for Fulfillment, Shipping, Delivery, and Label Cost Report. Start with Order to Fulfillment Time Reports. This report breaks the order journey into 3 stages: fulfilled, shipped, and delivered, so you can know where the time is leaking. Look at the slowest outliers. One late order is not the problem, a pattern is. Filter by date range and spot spikes during promos or weekends. Compare time to fulfill across locations or fulfillment workflows. If one warehouse is consistently slower, you just found the bottleneck. Next, Shipping and Delivery Performance Report. This report helps you to track how long it takes to fulfill, ship, and deliver. This report helps you to benchmark carriers and set expectations. Quick check. Compare carriers. If one carrier consistently delivers slower, your customers feel it, regardless of how fast you fulfill. Watch the time to ship. If orders are fulfilled but not shipped quickly, label purchase and handoff is your friction point. If you want delivery-only clarity, use orders delivered over time. It is the cleanest view of delivered volume over time. Now the margin report, shipping label by order. It breaks down labels, purchase per order carrier, packing details, customer details, and label cost. Quick check. Compare label cost versus what customers paid. For more details, check order report. If label costs keep exceeding shipping charge, you're subsidizing shipping without realizing it. Then shipping label over time. It shows number of label, total cost, and average label cost, perfect for budgeting and spotting rate changes. If average label cost jumps, check zone changes, package weights, or carrier mix before it eats margin for a full month. Here is the gap. In the fulfillment overtime report, you cannot always add product title, variant title, or fulfillment date. Shopify fulfillment overtime reports has fields such as orders fulfilled, delivered, shipped, and fulfillment quantity. Here's the check. This metrics runs based on the fulfillment date, the day when the order is fulfilled, whereas the same report has sales fields such as total sales, which generates numbers based on the day when the sale has happened. So the fulfillment quantity and the total sales does not match because they are calculated on the different dates. Check this table for more information. Also missing in native views are tracking company details, tracking URL, return tracking numbers, package dimensions, weight, and actual carrier charges. This is where reporting apps like Report Pundit help you by putting shipping and fulfillment into one report, whereas you can run the report based on the fulfillment date, meta fields, or node attributes. If you use third-party shippers, you can also pull data from tools like ShipStation, ShipBub, so your report includes shipment cost by merchant, carrier charges, insurance, and full tracking details. So here's the takeaway. Use Shopify reports to monitor speed, delivery performance, and label costs. If you need one unified export with tracking, packing details, and carrier cost, use a reporting tool that consolidates it. Thank you.